Snowfall, Niagara Falls, Canada. First one of the year. Showing you guys a quick little glimpse here. Hard Rick, please subscribe for more. We're just going along here. Crazy out here, guys. I spent 2 hours shoveling. I do not own a snowmobile, which I am going to buy one for next year because this is getting ridiculous. Here living in Canada, this is what we have to go through. Just taking you through a little walk through here, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. The roads are not all that plowed great, but it's a little bit somewhat, as you guys can see here. I'm gonna keep walking here, show you guys how high some of these I don't know how well you can see that, but that's about 3 feet. It's getting cold. I'll show you guys a walk back now. So yeah, this is Niagara Falls, Canada, guys. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.